I can fix, but my confidence low. Easy fix. Trust the doctor. Nah.
Action. Beauty enhancement very hard today. Easy fix. Trust the doctor. Recovery check. Numbers look great. Little cool compress. Ooh, perfect. And final miss. Fog, temporary side effect. Totally normal. Now we bring out the radiance. Easy breezy. Oops, all good.
Okay, listen. It's a prank. She thinks I'm giving her a new chin. And we're back. Miss Pugsworth. Oh, she's so ugly. I mean, unique. Unique. I am surgeon and influencer. Watch this. You did not just... Oh, fashion. It's fashion now.
Oh, she's so ugly. So hard to beauty enhancement, Lily. New plan! Deluxe upgrade package!
Psst, it's worse than I thought. All right, patient stable. Oh, she's so ugly. I mean, unique. Unique. No, continue. All under control.